In this video, I'll show you how to get a Google Gemini API key step by step. First, open your browser and go to the Google AI Studio website. Sign in using your Google account if you are not already logged in. Once you are inside the dashboard, look for the option called Get API Key or API Keys. Click on Create API Key to generate a new key for your project. Google may ask you to select an existing project or create a new project before generating the key. Choose the project you want to use, then confirm to continue. After that, your Google Gemini API key will be created and displayed on the screen. Copy the API key and store it in a secure location because this key allows access to the API services. Avoid sharing your API key publicly or placing it directly in front-end code to keep your account secure.